Hello everyone, welcome to Kavita's Cooking Hub. Today we are going to see one of the most famous and mouth-watering Arabian dish, chicken kabsa rice. Now let us start cooking. Now we'll see what are the ingredients required to make chicken kabsa. 1 teaspoon jeera, 1 black cardamom, 1 teaspoon black pepper corn, 10 numbers of regular cardamom, 2 sticks of cinnamon, 2.5 teaspoons of coriander seeds, nutmeg of which I am going to take only quarter the quantity of this, 10 cloves, mace, if you want you can add more of this, and 2.5 star anise. These are the whole garam masalas that we are going to add in the oil. I've taken 3 bay leaves, 3 elaichi, again 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 3 cloves, 3 big onions which I have sliced, 3 green chilies which are slit, 3 medium-sized tomatoes, I have sliced them, 2.5 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and I've taken 1 whole lime of which I have scraped and kept the zest, that is the skin of the lime, and then I'm going to use this whole lime also for the rice. 3/4 kg of chicken leg piece which I have slit and kept, 3/4 kgs of basmati rice which I have already washed and soaked for about 20 minutes, and dry fruit which is a must for all Arabian dishes. I have taken only half the amount today to match our South Indian taste buds, but if you like it you can double the dry fruits. 1 cup ghee which is about 150 to 175 ml. Now let us first roast all these whole garam masalas and powder them. If you are going to take only half the amount of rice, make sure that you half the garam masalas also. Otherwise your rice would taste bitter. I can feel the sweet aroma of the garam masala, so I am turning off the stove. The garam masalas have come out well powdered. Adding ghee. The ghee is now hot. We'll add in all the dry garam masalas. Now I'm adding in the onions. The onions have to turn golden brown, light golden brown. Until then, let us fry this. Now the onions are turning slightly brown. At this time, we will add in all the chicken and give it a stir fry. Let the chickens cook on this side for about 2 minutes, and then we will toss it up and cook the other side for again 2 minutes. The chicken is beautifully done on one side. Now we'll give a toss and cook it for another 2 minutes the other side. 2 minutes has passed by. We'll see how our chicken is done. Now we'll add in all the garam masalas and other ingredients one by one to the chicken. I'm adding the ginger garlic paste, chilies, the lemon zest, and now I'm adding all the tomatoes. We'll give a stir fry. Adding in the roasted and ground garam masala. salt required for the chicken and masalas. I'm also going to add the lemon, which is peeled off from my skin. Let us cook till the tomatoes get soft. The tomatoes are done. Now I'm going to add the required amount of water. I have taken 1 full cup of rice in this bowl, so I'm adding 1 1/4 amount of water to the rice. Let us allow the water to boil. Now we'll open and see. Our water has come to a boil, and now we'll remove out all the chicken pieces. Now I'm adding the rice. I've already drained all the water. We will give it a stir and we'll check for the salt at this time and add in the required amount of salt for the entire dish. We'll simmer the stove and allow it to boil. Meanwhile, let us fry all the dry fruits needed for the dish. I'm adding in the ghee which we have already reserved. Adding the badam first. Adding in the cashew nuts. We'll fry till the cashew nuts turns light brown. Now the cashews are turning brown. I'm going to add the raisins now. Raisins are also done. I'm just going to strain all the ghee and remove the dry fruits from this. Now in the ghee from which we have drained the dry fruits, we'll add in all the chicken pieces and fry them for about 2 minutes on each side till they turn golden brown in color. Now our rice has come to a boil. At this stage, I am going to turn off the stove, close the lid and allow the rice to be in dum for about exactly 8 minutes. I'm turning off the stove. Now the chicken has turned really well on both the sides to a very roasted brown color. I'm just turning off the flame and we'll wait for the rice to get done. We'll open and see. Our rice is almost done. Now we'll add in the dry fruits. Half the dry fruits I'm reserving for garnishing. We'll give it a light stir. And add in all the chicken pieces. Give it a stir again, a light stir. Now we'll close the lid, simmer the stove and allow the rice to cook for another 10 to 12 minutes. It is almost 10 minutes now. We'll just open and see how it is done. rice is beautifully and perfectly done. Each grain looks so distinctive, long and non-sticky with each other. And I can also feel the sweet and beautiful aroma of the lemon zest. At this time, I'm turning off the stove and see how we can plate it. Our chicken kabsa is now ready. Do try this wonderful Arabian delight at home and share in your comments. If you like this recipe, do hit the like button and share it to your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, and yes, don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.